Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Ayush and today we're going to be reading chapters 7 and 8 of Dog Man and Cat Kid by Dav Pilkey. So let's get started. Okay, chapter 7 and 8 of Dog Man and Cat Kid, and that is called A Bunch of Stuff That Happened Next. I finally figured out a plan to shut this movie down. Come on, kid. Don't call me kid. Call me Cat Kid. Why? It's my superhero name. We're not superheroes, we're super villains. We're the bad guys, remember? Oh yeah. The pretend bad guys. Right? Come on, Cat Kid. Yay. What you doing, Papa? I'm setting a trap. Why? So we can capture Yole Caprice in this lasso. Why? So we can kidnap her. Why? If they don't have a star, they can't finish the movie. Why? Stop asking dumb questions. Why? Meanwhile, okay people, we're about to shoot the big action scene. Are the mini motor scooters in place? Yes sir. Is the dog mobile all gassed up? Yipper. Are the robotic hot dogs ready? Lost the controller. You what? I just set it down at lunchtime and now it's gone. You've lost the controller. How could things get any worse? Vroom, ski, zoom, zip, crash. Mash, mash, pull, 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 screech, donk, chunka, chunka, choppa, 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 choppa. Grunt, grunt, grunt. Well, it took forever, but I finally got out of that hole. And I yell, here I and now, to get my sweet revenge against that crazy-headed dog cop. Zoom, clunk, hey. Meanwhile, the robot controller is lost, the dog mobile is missing, and there's a hole in the side of my studio. How could things get any worse? Oh, Sam. Hey, Yole. Cosa succeed. Translation, what's going on? Ha ha. What's going on? What's going on? We got her. Papa, don't hurt her. Don't worry, she'll be fine. She doesn't look very happy. Let's put her back, okay? No, we're the bad guys. We do evil stuff. But, look, the world's not a very nice place. It's rotten, it's unfair, it's horrible. And the only way to get ahead is to be more rotten, more unfair, and more horrible. Check out our new brand motto. Now, do you want to have some fun? Some real fun? Cut her down. Use those steel claws of yours and slice the rope. No. Oh, come on, don't be a baby. Cut that rope. No. Thou shalt obey. Thou shalt follow thy destiny. Thou shalt. Crash. Thou mayest. Thou shalt. No, thou mayest. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou shalt. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Thou mayest. Shing shing. Shh. Shh. Shoof. Twang. Crash. Z. Zoom. Grunt, grunt. Bam. Hey. Bubba-da, bubba-da. Bubba-da, bubba-da. Bubba-da, bubba-da. Bubba-da, bubba-da, bubba-da. Whoosh. Zap. Swoosh. Wow. Sweet. Cool, right? Cat Kid, you saved us. If only I could make him bigger. I need a super growth formula. Something convenient, preferably in a non-aerosol spray. Hey, wait a minute. Bonk. I know just where to go. That is all we are going to be reading in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and also thank you for listening. I really hope you enjoyed me reading chapter 7 and 8 of Dogman and Cat Kid. If you did end up enjoying today's video, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. And also, while you're at it, down below, click the like button. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you for listening. Bye.